Guys, I just wanted to give you a quick tour around my craft room and show you what it's looking like because I've been emptying things out and creating space, and there's still a lot of mess, but I'm excited. I have lunch and cookies and a mess on my desk, which is quite normal. And these are usually in my IKEA Expedit unit, but they look like they're dying, so I put them in front of the window so they can get some more sun. You can see I have a little mess there. I also have some empty space in here still. I'm not sure what I'm going to fill that wire basket with, or if I'm going to fill it with anything. Got the cat scratcher post, and then over here, usually when you look into my craft room, the floor is covered with whatever I'm working on. So I'm really excited that the floor is this empty. So here's another view. I've been working on taking apart that gallery wall, but I think I might actually put some more stuff up on it. And this thing used to be full, but I got rid of a whole second container filled with Project Life cards, and now this is empty. Second pull-out drawer is where I keep all my stationery and cards, and it used to be overflowing down onto the shelf below it, but now I've got extra space that I'm keeping extra photographs in, and there's still extra space in this drawer. Third drawer has a box that I'm keeping my December daily that's unfinished from 2 or 3 years ago in here, but that can consolidate down into something half its size, and I can just finish the album. And then drawer used to be overflowing with all of my shipping supplies, but you can see I consolidated that down, and more than half of this thing is empty. So my closet is also mostly empty here. So that is a small Christmas tree that I have, and then I have some wrapping paper, some drawers, some empty space to store some more stuff if I want to move storage around. But most of this is empty, and I'm thinking about changing what I'm doing in there. I think if I could put like a big storage unit against the back of that wall, that will allow me to get rid of this unit right here and have some more space, because Steven and I are talking about getting a bunny. So if I got rid of this and also got rid of this and consolidated this storage into some of the empty spaces I have around my craft room, I would have the space to build a custom bunny cage. I have been wanting a bunny for years, and Steven just now said yes. So I'm not sure, with this being the last semester of my undergraduate degree, if I'm going to have the time or wanting to take that on right now. I am so excited that minimalism and getting rid of so much of my stuff has now given me the time, the energy, the space, and the money to take on new things, like growing our family with potentially a new rescue pet.